Cool. So we have 195,000 going out. Your accounts are platinum business accounts, so you don't pay a fee for that. Fidelity National Title Agency. Go into this account number. Do you want to double check that account number just to make sure? I'll read it out loud. Do you bank with us here personally as well?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Just make sure. Do you already have your accounts set up as private client accounts?
I do, yeah. I have like 4 or 3 around there.
Okay. Hey, nice to meet you.
It was really nice to meet you. Thank you again for your help.
All right, no problem. Take it easy. Nice to meet you.
But no, yeah, appreciate it. Thank you again. Hey, what's going on, guys? So we just got finished funding my first hard money loan. I want to give a huge shout out to Lenny again for helping me throughout this entire process. He found the real estate investor, the flipper. So I'm going to be funding the loan for, if I'm not mistaken, 90 days. So it should be purchased, remodeled, and sold within 90 days if it goes according to plan. But I'm set up at a 12% interest annually. So really looking forward to it, and it's really not about, in this case, I don't want to say it's not about the money. Obviously, I'm still making money off of this deal, but one of the things that was most important to me was I was kind of debating the idea of if I wanted to do a flip myself right now, or because I have the money simply to fund a flip, and on the back end just simply see every step that is done and learn the ropes. So that's the approach that I'm going to be taking first. I'll probably do about 2 to 3 of these, learn the very basics, and then hopefully by the time that I get started in doing my own flips, again, I could fund my own projects, and I'll at least know a little bit more than someone that's just getting started. So I'm all about taking risks, but at least ensuring and making sure that I'm dedicating effort and putting in the time to make them like calculated risk. So yeah, that's really just it. Okay. And that's really just it. You know that we're huge in empowering people when it comes down to learning about different markets, to learn first and then do. So you're at least aware of what you're doing, so even if you do make mistakes, you can learn from it. And this is going to be my approach in learning more about, you know, flipping homes when it comes down to the real estate market, and not just buying them, renting them, and then, you know, selling them a couple months later, which is normally what I've traditionally been doing. So I'm really excited about this. This is a whole other side that I'm really excited to get into. I hope it's something that you guys are okay with me sharing as I go along. In no way am I a real estate expert or anything like that. The people that I've surrounded myself with when it comes down to the real estate niche are the ones that have guided me in the direction of now by age 24, I've been able to go through a series of 5 properties. I only own 2 of them now since I've sold the remaining 3. And then I just took on this hard money loan, which puts me as like the first deed owner for this specific property, which is something that I'm really excited to share with you as I go along, and everything that is that I learn, I'd be more than happy to share with you guys along the way. So again, just let me know in the comment section what you guys would like to know, and I'd be more than happy to kind of share that with you, maybe in some follow-up videos. So I'm going to be meeting up with Lenny on Wednesday, and again, I'll provide you guys updates as that goes along. So overall, I had an absolute amazing day when it came down to trading. I want to give a huge shout out to the Learn Plan Profit Group. I started trading during pre-market hours as soon as 4 a.m. so Mountain Standard Time, and adjust to daylight savings, right? But one of the things that I want you guys to know is that I'm no longer going to be doing trading recaps on YouTube anymore for the general public. This is something that I'm only going to be exclusively offering for the Learn Plan Profit Group. Not too sure if I'm going to be able to do one today, just due to our schedule and everything that we have going on today. But I wanted to let you guys know, moving on forward, if you want to work with me on a closer basis, if you want to watch me trade live, if you have a series of questions, and again, you see value in the videos that I've already uploaded on YouTube, then the Learn Plan Profit Group is the only option. And again, that's that first link in the description. It's not something that you have to do. It's just an option that we want to provide it for you. And if you're a first responder, veteran, or a student, we of course have discounts for you. So just feel free to direct message me within the Tech But Solutions Discord or on Instagram, which you can find down below. Really do appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys again for absolutely everything that you guys do. Hope you guys kill it. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.